So hi everyone, this is our game. So let's see the single player. We'll have 4 dice. Let me roll the first one. So after I click the stop button, I got the first one I rolled. Now let me reroll the first dice. I can reroll twice. Now let's see what Ethan's got. Let me see the result. Ah, hello. Now back to main page. Let me see the rules. So there'll be only 2 players, and you can either play with game with your friend or with the Ethan, which is computer. Each player has 4 dice to roll, and each dice can be rolled twice. So when player faced rolling once, can press to see the result to see who won the game, and here's the rule of the point. If the dice is not filled any rules above, it depends on the highest dice you got.
Hi, my name is Yifei Liu. I was mainly in charge of the core of our programs, and I'll be introducing you guys the function we have in our program. So yeah, so let's start with the main page. On the main page, all the functions are pretty much the same. It's just main equals to and the name of the app that's going to. So when you press the button, it will just lead you. You will just go to the page, go to a new app. Let's say 2 players button push, like just for example. So when you go to 2-player dice game mode, it will be the game for 2 players, and the first function here we're use is the load the table function. And when the button load the table is pushed, it will basically read a Excel form we already have on the computer called scoreboard through. And this form will be inserted into the program form with read table. So, and then after that, the function is roll the dice button push. So when you push the button roll the dice, as you can see here, when text equals to roll the dice, the text then will be changed to stop, and the picture we have at the first will then be changed to a GIF that's a dice rolling GIF basically, and then we'll also play a sound of dice rolling. And yeah, audio read, that's for the sound playing. And after that, when see like since the text on the button changed to stop, you press it again, it will change to reroll the dice. And at that time, there will be a random number generator here from 1 to 6. And based on the number you get, 1 to 6, the picture will also be changed to a dice with that number on it. Also, sound will be cleared. And after that, it's basically repeating this process for 2 more times, since we decided to give all our players 2 reroll chances. And yeah, after that is and also besides those, like each time when the button is pushed, we will be counting the scores automatically. So say if you get 4 1s, you'll get 7. Your score will be 7. For 2s, 8. For 3s, 9. Extra. And yeah, 2 special ones. See here, like any equals 1, and any in that also 4 equals to 2. Like basically, if you get 1, 2, 3, and 4, doesn't have to use that order. You will get a 20. And if you didn't your dice order didn't fit any above, your score will be the highest dice number you have, and that's here. Yeah, max. So this function will be repeated 7 times, just very similar because we have 8 dice for each player. Remember, this is a 2-player dice game. So yeah, repeat 7 times, and after that will be see the result button here. See the result button. So if score 1 is higher than score 2, it will jump to the player 1 wins app. which is basically just a picture saying player one wins. And score one is smaller than score two, it will jump to player two wins, which is also just a picture saying player two wins. And now for else, it's basically saying score one equals to score two, and we'll jump to a page saying even. So these are pretty much all the functions we have for single player mode and two players mode. My friend Eric will be introducing you guys the online version of our game. Thank you.
So I'm Luobing Wang, and I'm responsible for the online version of this game. So the online version is mostly based on the ThinkSpeak channel, and let's go to the online player one dice code so we can have a closer look. So for player one, the mission of the code is to upload the player's one side to the channel, to the online ThinkSpeak channel, and get data of dice 5 to 8 from the online ThinkSpeak channel. So you can see it from the code. So here. So here for the dice one, we can see that here is a ThinkSpeak write, which is responsible for uploading the data, and this is all the and the similar process also goes on dice 2 to 4, and we can see that for dice 5 to 8. Here dice 5, you can see that here's a code called ThinkSpeak read, and this code is used to get data online. So and for online player 2, the code is just contrary. Player 2 gets data of the dice 1 to 4 and writes data on the channel of dice 5 to 8. So that's basically how online gaming parts do.